Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. How are you today? Today we are going to complete Unit 8 Grammar. Okay, I'd like a melon. So at first, look at this picture. Okay, you can see many kinds of vegetables and fruits. Okay, so I can say I'd like, okay, a banana. Okay, I can say I'd like an apple, or I can say I'd like some grapes, some vegetables. Okay, so it's our grammar for today. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. First part of our grammar today, we have countable noun. Okay, countable noun, it means we can count it. Something, okay, we can count it. For example, cucumber. I can say I have a cucumber. Okay, so you can count them. Okay, 2 cucumbers, 3 cucumbers. Okay, so you can add the s, okay, if you want to make it plural. Okay, onion, an onion. Okay, an onion. Of course we can count them too. Okay, we can say 2 onions, 3 onions, and more than 3. Okay, do you know it? Yes, it's melon. Okay, I can say some melons. Okay, some melons. So in countable noun, okay, we can add, okay, a or an for singular nouns that we can count it. A cucumber, or we can say 2 cucumbers, 3 cucumbers. An onion, we can say 2 onions, 3 onions, and more than. Okay, here the last picture, some melons. For example, 2 melons, 3 melons. Okay, so more than, you can say some melons. But note here please, when we use a, it comes before nouns that start with a consonant. Okay, for example, look at the first picture, it's a lemon. A lemon. Number 2, a melon. Number 3, a cucumber. A cucumber. Okay, so they are all start with a consonant, so we add just a. Okay, but in part 2, when we use an, it comes before nouns that start with a vowel. Okay, for example, apple, it will be an apple. Okay, orange, an orange. Onion, an onion, and so on. Okay, and now part number 2, uncountable noun. Okay, it means that we can't count it. For example, if you have rice, sugar, pasta, okay, we can't count them, they are too many. Okay, look at this picture, it's meat, we can't count it. Okay, so we say I have some meat. I can't add a or an. Okay, don't forget, a or an come with a noun that we can count it. Okay, but here we can't count it, it will be uncountable, so we add some. I have some meat, it's cereal, so I will say I'd like some cereal, or I have some cereal. Okay, because we can't count it too. And now look at this table, we have the countable nouns. Okay, to show the difference between countable or uncountable nouns. Okay, here we have 1 melon or a melon, 2 melons. Okay, there are 3 melons or some melons, and so on. 3 melons or some melons. So some can come with countable or uncountable nouns. Okay, the next part, uncountable nouns. Again, we have bread. I say some bread. Okay, pasta, some pasta. Okay, we can't count the bread or the pasta. Do you remember in other nouns that we can't count? Okay, we said, for example, rice, pasta, meat, cheese, cereal, okay, and so many things. Okay, note here. Okay, we have some notes. We use a or an, as we said, with singular countable nouns. Don't forget, we use a or an with singular countable nouns. But we use some, okay, with uncountable nouns and plural countable. It means some come with, okay, some meat, some rice, some cheese, some cereal, or we can say it with plural countable, like some onions, some apples, some bananas, some cucumbers, and so on. Okay, but we have some kinds of things that we need to use when we can use for drinks. Okay, as you know, drinks we can't count it. For example, the juice or water or milk, okay, we can't count them, so we can add some words before it. For example, a glass of, a cup of, a can of, a bottle of. Okay, so we have a glass of, for example, glass of juice or milk, a cup of tea or coffee, a can of, for example, cola or lemonade, a bottle of water or milk. Okay, for example, the picture of juice. Okay, I say a glass of juice, a glass of juice. Okay, it's a cup of tea, I will say a cup of tea, like this. Okay, and water, we have water, I say a bottle of water. Okay, now we have another part in our grammar for today. We call it would like. Okay, would like, it has an abbreviation apostrophe d, like. Okay, would like, it means when you offer food or drink, okay, for someone. Okay, for example, I can say to my friend, would you like some juice? Would you like an apple? Okay, so look here in this part of our grammar, we use would like, okay, with all subjects. Okay, I mean with all pronouns. For example, he, she, it, I, we, you, they. Okay, now look here please. Would like, as we said, equal apostrophe d, like. Okay, look at this picture, it's ice cream. Okay, I say I'd like an ice cream, or I would like an ice cream. Okay, we have, wow, it's milkshake, we'd like some milkshake, we'd like some milkshake. Okay, and now look at this picture, it's, yes, it's pasta, he'd like some pasta. Okay, wow, melons, she would like some melons. Okay, now part number 2, to ask a question. Okay, with would like, we start with would plus pronouns he, she, you, they, we, it, and so on. Okay, then we add like plus the noun or the thing you talk about. Okay, for example, would he like an apple, an onion, a cucumber, some cereal, and so on. So We have some examples, okay, here. Would you like a cup of tea? Would you like a cup of tea? Okay, in this question, okay, we have to answer with yes or no. Okay, so I can say yes, please. Okay, yes, please. But if I don't like it, okay, I will say or answer no, thanks. Okay, so you will answer with yes, please or no, thanks. Example number 2. Would he like some coffee? Yes, please or no, thanks. Okay, look at this picture. Would you like some meat? Yes, please. Look at the happy face, means yes, but the sad face, no thanks. Another example, okay, we have a banana. Would you like a banana? Yes, please or no thanks. Okay, and now our exercise time. Okay, choose the correct answer. Okay, in number 1, Sama has an or a or some apple. Okay, we have apple, it's singular and starts with a consonant, so we choose Sama has an apple. Number 2, there is an or a or some cheese in the fridge. Cheese is uncountable, so we choose yes, some cheese. Number 3, I'd like a cup of ice cream or tea or melon. Cup of course, cup of tea. Number 4, there are an or a or some cucumbers. Cucumbers are here plural, okay? You can see the s, so we add some cucumbers. Number 5, he buys a piece or can of or kilo of cola. Cola, okay, it comes with a can of cola. Can I have a bottle of water or bananas or tea? Of course, a bottle of water. Excellent, my dear students. Number 7, can you give me an or a or some bread, please? Bread is uncountable, it comes with some, that's right. Number 8 and last one, I like eating an or a or some cereal in the morning. Again, cereal is uncountable, so we will choose some cereal. I hope you enjoyed my video for today, my dear students. Study well and be the best. See you later. Goodbye.